Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. Today we are unboxing the summer Causebox. I just got it. It just hit my front porch and I cannot wait to get in here and see what we've got. In case you don't know, Causebox is a quarterly curation of socially conscious products for women. They say every box is filled with products that have a story and make a difference. And it's $54.99 a quarter, or if you pay annually, it's $49.99. Plus, if you pay for the year in advance, like a lot of other boxes, you get to choose some of your selections. There are 6 to 8 products and they have a value of more than $200. Let's get in here and see what I've got. So I feel like since I did the spoilers on this, I have been waiting forever. I can't wait to see it. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So pretty. It has the box that will hopefully tell us about all of the products that we have in here. Cute little tag. And this is what it looks like when we open it. I forget, oh, I was gonna say, I forget what's right on top. You would think I remember, but I do remember now. So this is what the pamphlet looks like, and inside, hopefully, it will tell us about all the products that we're about to unbox. Let's see what I can find out. Yes, it has them all on different pages. It's a really pretty informative pamphlet. It goes into a lot of detail about each of the products and the good that the companies do, so that'll be a nice read later on. But let's dig right in and see what these products are. Laying right on top, I have the All True Made for Good. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. This is a straw bag. So pretty and a nice quality, too. I will definitely carry this with my summer goodies in it. So pretty. It feels like it's a great quality. Nice and thick, but not so thick that it's not soft. It's very soft. Inside, they've put tassels for us. They showed them. Let me see if I can put this on here quickly. When they showed them to us, when they did their spoilers, they had this tied right around like that, so that it just gave it a little pizzazz. I like them. I will definitely leave those on there. I like the pop of color that it gives it. Or I might, I'll put the link up here. In our spring boxes, I got a really pretty mustard color silk scarf that would also look really nice tied to this. So that is our first product. It's from All True, and they say this has a value of $50. Next, we have the wet bag, and it's just a envelope style wet bag, and they say from bottle to bag because this is made out of recycled bottles that they shred into bits and turn into fibers and reuse to make these. And the theory is you can put your wet swimsuit in here. It's really pretty. It's from Quagga Green. And I actually chose this color. You could have had it in this. Let me see if I can show you. Yes, you could have chosen that or that pretty blue color also. So that's really fun and pretty. This will get a lot of use during the summer. Between me and the grandbabies, we will absolutely be able to use this. Actually, I'll be surprised if I get to keep it. I can see my daughter eyeing that up. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, we have Scrunchies, banded 3-pack. Guess we are bringing back the scrunchie. I have to tell you, I am hot in here right now, and I could for sure put a scrunchie on. They are so soft. It's just a really soft, old-fashioned scrunchie that you get in white, yellow, and pink. Let's see what they say about them. They say they are from Band Together, and they have a $10 value. I know they're not going to be for everybody because of short hair and that kind of thing, but I will probably use them, not as a fashion statement, but like in the evening when I pull back my hair to wash it, this will be much softer on my tender hair than some of the more aggressive bands. All right. Next, we have the postcard that we get every month. They send you a pretty little postcard that you can use or just use as artwork somewhere, and we get one of those. Next, I have the All Good Sport Sunscreen SPF 30. They say that this is reef-friendly, which is why it was so good for this box, and it is water-resistant for 80 minutes, and it has a $15.99 value. So, I love that this is a summer box, and there is a clear and present summer theme. I think so many of the seasonal boxes have become boxes that they've put together. And don't get me wrong, like FabFitFun knocked it out of the park this summer. But was it really a summer box? I don't know. Okay, next I have the Tribe Alive Versatile Caftan. I saw pictures of this. They're calling it a caftan. I'm going to go ahead and call it a poncho. I'm going to take it out very gently because I may put it back in this box and use it as a giveaway or for someone else, because I am, as you may have noticed, a bigger girl, and I don't know that draping myself in a huge hunk of basically muslin style fabric with my little head poking out of the top middle is the exact summer look that I want. Don't get me wrong, it's really pretty. And if you draped it somewhere, like if you could drape it over the back of a chair with just the front showing and you could get rid of the V, it would be really pretty. But as far as a piece of fashion, it is definitely not me. This, you had 3 color choices and it had a $118 value. So, wow. And that poncho was from Tribe Alive. They say it is an endlessly versatile caftan that can be worn from beach to brunch, inspired by the Causebox community and handcrafted by artisans in India. Let me go back over a couple of these. I told you about the quagga green and the bottles that they recycle. The All True, that straw tote, they proceeds from that go to support the Ocean Conservation Initiative across the world. And the Scrunchies, for every product that Banded Together sells, 3 meals are donated to children in need. So those are all, you know, that's the whole look good, do good. Those are all great things. Okay, next I have the Handily Papaya Enzyme Powder Face Cleanser. And this is a full-size 2.1 ounces. Has a safety seal on the outside. That's awesome. And I can see it shaking in there. Oh, it has yet another safety seal. I'm going to leave that on. And this is, it doesn't say anything more than that. Let me see what I can read about this. Handily Papaya Enzyme Powder. So it says that we would get either this or the Island Aloe Gel, both of which were $35, and made from the botanicals of Hawaii. Last but not least, true story. Oh, I'm so happy to have this. I have looked at these in Corksicle so many times. It's from the company Reduce. Hope you can see that. And it is a insulated tumbler, dual wall, lid included. Insulated, looks like a wine glass. That's so neat. It says, put a lid on it, keep your drink in and everything else out. 12 ounces, 12 hours cold, shatterproof, vacuum insulated, stainless steel dual walls. This is really cool. Again, a very summer product. And the theory here is you're replacing products that have waste with a reusable product. And they say the value of this is $12.99, which is really inexpensive because I have looked at other brands and they are much more expensive than this. So that is our Causebox summer box. I am really happy with it. We got the Handily Papaya Enzyme Cleanser, which I will absolutely use. The Scrunchies, which while I won't use them for fashion, I will use. The All Good SPF 30 Reef Friendly Suntan Lotion, which I will absolutely use. The Wet Bag, which as long as I own it, I will absolutely use. This adorable straw tote, which I will be putting my summer goodies in just a few minutes. The insulated reusable cup, which I will be using also just here in a few minutes. And last, this beach cover up that we received that I'm going to find a happy home for, because I know this is one of those things that I want to say, yeah, I'll wear it, I'll find a use for it, and I won't. So it needs a happy home. Thank you so much for coming by. What do you think of Causebox? Do you think it's worth the $54.99? I enjoy it because I like that it's companies that are doing good. It's products that I will absolutely use, save perhaps the poncho. Let me know what you think though. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put more videos up. And thank you so much for coming by, and I hope you're having a great summer. Bye guys.